It's something like a dream, oh. When the magic in your skin, they mesmerize everyone that come around you. You are the sun and emotion too. It's something like a fantasy, oh. Probably would think it was a lie. If nobody say I see you, I wouldn't know that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be unboxing, washing, deep conditioning, moisturizing and installing this wig by Hergivenhair. And this is their Crown in My Curls 3C4A Coily, and it's a 13x6 lace front wig, 14 inches, and the cap size is medium, and of course there is an adjustable strap attached to the wig. So guys, I'm going to be leaving every details of this hair in my description box below, a direct link to the one that I'm wearing and also a direct link to their website for those of you that are interested in this wig. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So guys, the hair came in this box and there are two booklets which contains information on how to take care of the hair and also different styles that you can do with this hair as well.
They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them.
So right here is the hair. It also came with an elastic band, two hooks and two clips, and there is also an adjustable strap attached to the hair already, and also the knots came already bleached. So I'm going to proceed to washing the hair. Right now I'm just checking the temperature of my water, and I'll be using a moisturizing shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner. So I'm going to leave all the names of the products that I use in my description box below in case you guys are interested. After using the shampoo to wash it, I used lukewarm water to rinse off the shampoo, and then I went ahead and applied the moisturizing conditioner. And like I said before, I'm going to leave every details of the products that I use in my description box below. So I applied a generous amount of the conditioner on the hair. I massaged it into the hair properly, and then I went ahead and used a white tooth comb to detangle the hair, and it was so easy to detangle. This hair is super soft guys, it's really soft. I didn't have any issues detangling the hair at all. So after detangling the hair, I wrapped it up in a nylon bag or whatever bag that you have, and then I let it sit there for a whole day. I actually washed this hair in the morning and then I rinsed it off at night before going to bed. So this is the next morning. The hair is still wet, but I'm going to go ahead and moisturize this hair. I'm doing the liquid, cream and oil method, which is the LCO method. So I sprayed the liquid on the hair, applied the cream and then the oil, massaged it together, and I used my Derma brush to brush out the hair.
In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in every grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be.
And you can see that the coils are really popping, and it's also very easy to detangle. So I'm going to repeat the same method till I get to the top of the hair. So right now I'm just going to part the hair to my desired style. Did you guys see how natural looking that hairline is? I didn't do anything to the hairline at all. It came already pre-plucked, so which is a plus to this wig. and it has a really huge parting space because it's a 13x6 lace front wig. So I'm just repeating the same process like I did before at the front section of the hair. I'll be applying a styling mousse to keep the section that I parted in place, and after that I'm going to use clips to hold it down. I would have used a scarf, but I didn't want to mess up with my coils. So yeah, that's it for this one.
It's VKills.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright.
Hey guys. So I already put on my hairnet, so I'm using the got to be glued freeze spray to hold it down. So after that I just use my blow dryer, the cool setting on my blow dryer, to dry down the freeze spray. So I'm using a pair of scissors to cut out the excess lace on the front. I'll be applying a foundation on the bald cap to match perfectly well with my skin tone, and the one that I'm using is by BOURJOIS. This is their full coverage foundation. So after that I'm going to use an eyebrow razor to cut out the excess lace at the front before gluing it down to my head.
They want to know. In the street to my say only make them. They cast the gun. In the bed, my calm down.
So I'll be using that same got to be glue free spray to hold down this wig. So I'm just applying it to my hairline, and then I'm using the cool setting on my blow dryer to make it tacky before placing the wig down. So right now I'm just trying to position the wig to where I want it to be, and then I'm using my rat tooth comb to press down the lace.
Man a bad man, they can try this. What my man is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Checking raw hello.
Now that the gluing part is done, I'm going to tie down this lace. That way the lace will melt into my skin, and I'll wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. After waiting about 10 to 15 minutes, I took out the scarf. So I realized the parting space wasn't where I wanted it to be, so I had to redo the part, and then I did the same process as applying the mousse for the part to stay in place.
One by one, they must step in on me yard, they must enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man.
I went ahead and used a small brush to brush the hairline backward, and then I applied the same foundation that I used earlier with a small angle brush on the parts. And after that I used my finger to blend it into my scalp. That way it looks even more natural. I forgot to mention that I applied my contour powder on my hairline. That way it blends perfectly well with my skin, and I won't have to worry about adding extra baby hair to this already beautiful wig. So that's basically all I did for this hair. If you guys find it helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
And I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine up to the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me.